Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video from California. This is going to be a very short video. I'm going to show you a little farm and a lake called Jewel Lake, which is right in the city of Berkeley, the famous Berkeley, where University of California Berkeley is situated in that college town. This is a nice recreation area for people living here and even for people in anywhere in the Bay Area. I think this entire park is called Tilden Regional Park, but I'm only going to show you the little farm and this Jewel Lake. Let's go and explore.
Actually, this is not the Tilden Regional Park, but Tilden Nature Area, a 740-acre preserve located just north of Tilden Regional Park. I parked in the parking lot located at the entrance of the little farm and started walking. With over 10 miles of hiking trails, the preserve contains a blend of native and introduced plant communities including oak, bay woodlands, grasslands, eucalyptus forests and streams. The hiking trails range from leisurely self-guided Jewel Lake Nature Trail to a vigorous climb up the Wildcat Peak at an elevation of 1,211 feet for panoramic San Francisco Bay views. At Tilden Nature Area, one can also find the renowned Environmental Education Center (EEC), the headquarters for the area's interpretive programs and the historic Little Farm. I started exploring the Little Farm first. The Little Farm was built in 1955 and features a variety of farm animals including cows, sheep, goats, rabbits, chickens and pigs. Several heritage breeds are preserved here, including Milking Shorthorn Cattle. Visitors are welcome to bring lettuce or celery, but nothing else to feed the animals. The farm is open free of charge every day of the year. The Red Barn closes at 3:30 p.m., though visitors may still enjoy the rest of the farm into the evening. Parking lot gates are locked at sunset though. I was impressed by the variety of farm animals here. A few times a year, a pregnant sow visits the farm and raises a litter of piglets. Each litter may consist of 10 or 12 piglets. The pigs are very intelligent and contrary to popular thinking, they are one of the cleanest animals on the farm. The Red Barn, built in 1955 by Berkeley High School carpentry students and the Kiwanis Club of Berkeley, has become a classic farm icon. Additional structures have been built over the years and the farm continues to change and evolve. A variety of heritage geese, ducks, chickens and turkeys live on the farm. All are very good egg layers. chicks are hatched every spring. During the day, the chickens are free to roam the farm and go wherever they like. When the red barn closes, all the fowl are gathered and put inside to keep them safe from nighttime predators. A key part of Tilden Nature Area since 1955, the little farm has introduced generations of park visitors to the sights, sounds and smells of a working farm. The sheeps are cute and it's kind of fun to watch them walking around. Visitors can feed all the animals except the rabbits. Dogs are not permitted at the little farm or elsewhere in Tilden Nature Area. This is a working farm. Please be on the lookout for workers and equipment. The farm does not accept unwanted animals from the public. During winter, the farm can be muddy, so be sure to wear appropriate shoes. The farm is home to a variety of animals. Please be respectful and considerate of its residents. As I wander around the farm, it's obvious that the little farm is more than a place for discovery and fun. It helps to protect the genetic diversity of rare livestock and crops, preserving a rich agricultural heritage for generations to come. The little farm is popular for its Black Welsh mountain sheep. They are small, agile and hardy. The breed is traditionally used for meat and wool production. The farm's sheep are sheared every spring. The wool is washed, carded, spun into yarn and used in programs as well as for education. I came to know that the farm's French alpine goats are renowned as an excellent dairy breed. They are very personable and love to be fed by the public. On special interpretive programs, the goats are sometimes led on hikes outside the farm. Well, I was not lucky enough to watch the goats hike, but my little hike was going very well. The scenery in the Tilden Nature Area is beautiful and it was a refreshing walk. It is best to visit the Tilden Nature Area either during sunrise or sunset. I went around the sunset time and I can say it is beautiful around that time. These stunning views under fading sunlight has a special charm. If you like to feed the animals, first make sure to stop at a store and stock up on some fresh lettuce and celery. Both adults and kids can equally enjoy feeding these friendly, cute animals. These Milking Shorthorn Cattle are one of the oldest recognized breeds in the world. Originally from England, these docile animals effectively produce milk and meat and can pull a load as well. Shorthorns, as they are called, come in three colors: red, white and roan, that is mixed red and white. At the little farm, the cows are milked after giving birth to their calves in the summer. You can learn a few things about the mysteries of nature here. If you want to make it a full day adventure instead, bring a picnic lunch, some outdoor games and hiking gear to explore the surrounding trails.
So now I'm walking from the little farm towards the Jewel Lake. It's a small lake near to the little farm, right within the city of Berkeley in California.
I decided to continue my walk towards the Jewel Lake. I don't want to call this a hike. It is a short quarter-mile walk towards the lake along the fire road at the entrance to the Tilden Nature Area. If you have time for a proper hike, you can also take the Jewel Lake Trail through the woods, which is just under a mile. The Jewel Lake is a former reservoir and artificial lake along Wildcat Creek, a small stream that flows through Tilden Regional Park and Tilden Nature Area. The lake is located in the Wildcat Canyon between the Berkeley Hills and Sobrante Ridge Hills. It is located in an unincorporated area close to Richmond and Kensington geographically and Berkeley accessibly. Jewel Lake was created in 1921-22 when a dam was built in the area to create water supply. However, the little waterworks was soon abandoned for more plentiful water sources, and today Jewel Lake is a place to hike and watch wildlife. The dam and abandoned flood control machinery are still visible at the north end of the lake. This wooden raised walkway built in the 1970s runs over marshland to the south end of the lake. It was fun walking on this wooden walkway. Although Wildcat Creek is an ancient and natural part of the East Bay watershed recorded by one of the early Spanish expeditions to Northern California in 1772, Jewel Lake would not exist on its own. 12 years after a portion of Wildcat Creek was dammed to use as a drinking water reservoir by the People's Water District, the reservoir was transferred to recreational use in 1933. Here you can see the dam and waterworks, and often a pair of nesting blackfeebs. Western pond turtles may be warming themselves on a large log. Sometimes you can also spot mallards, buffleheads and ring-necked ducks. Because Jewel Lake is in fact a dammed river, and because its watershed is composed of highly erosive sedimentary and volcanic rock, it's believed that Jewel Lake doesn't necessarily want to be a lake and requires upkeep to maintain its structure. In the absence of other erosion control methods, the sediment needs to be regularly dredged out, at least every 20 years, according to a 2016 study by Flow West for the East Bay Parks. The lake was last dredged in 1991 and the study noted that Jewel Lake has almost refilled with sediment. I heard that the park district does have plans to restore Jewel Lake, but it hasn't yet decided on the best approach. To many Bay Area residents, Jewel Lake, despite its small size, even in the best of times, is hugely important to the idea of the region. Water saves the land. According to the residents, it was a great place to watch the waterfowl that would come through during their mass migrations, and it was a great place to sit and be at peace. Now it is a ghost of what it once was. Even in its present form, you get to learn so much of history, geography and geology. You can learn all these while doing exercise.
So if you are in the University of California, Berkeley, this is a good place to run, jog and do exercise.
I had a great time walking through this trail. I got to learn a lot while enjoying nature. It is beautiful. The Jewel Lake and the surrounding trails offered a beacon of hope for the Bay Area residents during the coronavirus pandemic. The lake has taken on a kind of spiritual significance for the people seeking solace from an increasingly dangerous and chaotic world. Located in the concrete jungle within the ever-developing city of Berkeley, this Jewel Lake and the surrounding Tilden Nature Area offers a breath of fresh air. I felt refreshed and recharged. That is exactly what I wanted. An evening well spent in nature among plants and animals.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel LivetoTravel. And if you want to get notification when I upload more such videos, please press that bell icon. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
पिया को मना मानत नाही रे पिया को मना मानत नाही रे पिया को मना मानत नाही रे बिनती करत मैं तो हार गई रे बिनती करत मैं तो हार गई रे पिया को मनानत नाही रे बिनती करूं पैया परूं बिनती करूं पैया परूं जाओ तो बिवारी वारी वारी रे बिनती करत मैं
Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.